The 1975 edition is a tribute to 50 years of innovation and excellence at Brompton.
Every brand that's successful has one foot in the past and one foot in the future. Andrew was a nonconformist. He was not satisfied with the status quo. He came up with this wonderful solution, a piece of engineering genius. That iconic design, the way it folds, the beautiful simplicity of it.
Every day at Brompton, we build bikes that last a lifetime.
You don't get many bikes that feel as handmade as a Brompton.
For me, it's like art. Every stroke feels like creating a sculpture.
Still the original.
Still the best.
Designed and made in London.
Since 1975.